Hey everybody, it's John here with azWHOLEistic in the CBD studio and dispensary. Want to do a quick unboxing for a new product we have. We have these new Kandypens K Boxes. This is a product that will help you nebulize or vaporize your CBD in a little bit easier method than what typically people have been using. We've been selling a lot of these Evolve Pluses. We've been using these for a while. They work very well, but they're a little bit too mechanical and there's a little bit too many moving parts. Taking the top off and taking the coil out, it's a little bit too cumbersome for some people. So this is a new product that's recently come out and it's super easy to use. So when we take it out of the box, okay, we have the product and then we have the retractable charger, which is kind of cool, okay? We have the manual, we have a little carrier for your material or your medicine. Keep in mind you don't want to put your CBD medication in here and leave it in a warm car or expose it to heat because it will melt, okay? But in the cooler months, this is a good place to store your medication. And they also have a little dab spoon for your concentrates that you can actually administer into the product. So it's a very small device, as you can see. What's nice about it is it's super easy to use. It has a glass shield or mouthpiece so that you can see the vapor as you're vaporizing. And the coil is super easy to change. This is a triple coil, so there's 3 coils in here. You just dab your material, your medicine, onto the triple coil, okay? And these coils are replaceable as they burn out. They typically last 3 to 4 months. And this has some excellent airflow. There's 2 airflow holes, much like on some of the e-cigs, where we can get really good airflow from this into the coil. Additionally, like all vaporizers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns it on, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns it off. And it's got multiple heat settings. 1, 2, 3 clicks is going to set it. We're right now at the second from the bottom setting. 1, 2, 3 clicks. Now we're at the third, and 1, 2, 3 clicks. Now we're at the highest setting. Okay, so very easy to use. You put the mouthpiece on, you dab your material in, and basically all you do is breathe into it and press the button, and it will vaporize your material very efficiently. So not a lot of moving parts like with the Evolve, which a lot of people don't like the fact that you have to take the tip off, the mouthpiece, then you have to take this cap off, and the coil then comes off, and then the adapter comes off. There's just too many moving parts in this, so we're kind of switching and recommending this product because it's quite a bit easier to use than the Evolve. Okay, so we have them in stock, a lot of different colors. We're going to post this video on the website, so if anyone wants to know how to utilize this, it's literally take your material out of your container, dab about a dab amount, okay, into the coil, put the top on, press the button, and you're ready to go. Very, very simple. Okay, so for those people that want a stronger inhalation of CBD directly to the brain, this is a great device.